Hello, Yoshi.
Here's that. Woo! Hello.
I'm Luigi. I miss you so much. You're so big, and your hair is so hairy.
You mean mustache?
Yeah, I know. I love you, Mama Luigi.
I love you too, Yoshi.